for now I'm going to focus on these two new products and showing you how you create a super base and how you can make sure that your base is above average, guys. But honestly, guys, I'm like looking at L'Oreal a little bit sideways, like, are we really sure about this? Hi, yeah, it's me. Does it work on dark skin? Because I don't want to be looking care skin ready, you know. But guys, I'm absolutely loving this look. Welcome back to my channel. So today is all about a L'Oreal Superbase. So I went to an event and it was all about Superbase, and L'Oreal at the moment are pushing so you can create your Superbase. They've got two new products that are coming out. This is the Infallible Magic Loose Powder and it has blue pigments. This is also the Infallible Brightening Primer Drops, and they've also got their More Than Concealer that has just come out. However, I'm going to do the concealer and I'm going to show you later on in a separate video all the shades from tan to deep tones. But for now I'm going to focus on these two new products and showing you how you create a super base and how you can make sure that your base is above average, guys. But before we get into the video and I'll show you how I create this look, if you're brand new to my channel, why not hit the subscribe button? I do videos on Tuesdays, Wednesdays and Sundays, and I'd love to have you here. So like, what are you waiting for? You want to get into the video and find out how my base is super? Oh, you've subscribed? Okay, let's get into the video. Okay guys, first I'm going to prime my skin with the new Infallible Magic Essence Drop. This is literally so crazy. This is like a blue brightening primer drops. Like, even the colour itself is like a little bit cray-cray. But I've got this little pamphlet. I love the word pamphlet. I feel like the word pamphlet is so funny. Anyway, and this is what L'Oreal says. Has your tired, dull looking skin got you feeling blue? Awaken your makeup with blue tone brightening pigments to prep and prime your face for any day for an all-day radiant look. Enriched with a cocktail of acai and goji extracts, kiwi water plus hyaluronic acid. The formula hydrates the skin for up to 24 hours with no greasy or sticky residue. Well, you know me, I've got dry skin. If you don't know, get to know, I have like literally the dry skin. So this is going to be great. I'm just going to take like 1 to 2 drops and I'm just going to put that in the palm of my hand. But honestly guys, I'm like looking at L'Oreal a little bit sideways, like, are we really sure about this? But when I went to the event like last week, they spoke about it, and even I spoke about, I'm just going to take one more drop because my face is feeling hella dry. And one of the girls was like, yeah, like, I've been using this and it's actually really good. So yeah, let's get into hydrated skin. But yeah, it's just a bit of a crazy concept just to initially process like blue primer. Like, especially as like, hi, yeah, it's me. Does it work on dark skin? Because I don't want to be looking care skin ready, you know. Okay, moving on to the eyebrows. Just brush up my eyebrows and then I'm going to conceal them. Okay, so to conceal my eyebrows, I'm taking the L'Oreal More Than Concealer and I'm using the colour 337 in Almond. Just going to swatch that for you. That's a great concealer to conceal my eyebrows and my under eye. I'm going to do a separate video and blog post on this concealer because it's the newest product at the moment out. And the reason why they call it More Than Concealer is because it just gives you that extra more. It is water resistant, guys. It is loaded with pigment, so the color is gonna be rich, creamy and popping, and the texture is super elastic, so it stretches all over the skin. You just need a little bit and it goes the extra mile to ensure that you are covered. So I'm just going to place that underneath my eyebrow. The only thing I'm feeling right now is I'm not sure. I don't really like the applicator. I normally just like to place and go, but I feel like with this applicator you just have to work a little bit more, like you have to concentrate, whereas other applicators you just kind of just like put it on and then you're ready to go. But no worries about that, just gonna blend that in. Okay, right now I'm looking hella scary, so let's go in with the foundation. I'm going out tonight, so I'm doing extra coverage. I'm just using the L'Oreal Infallible foundation stick. This is in the color 210 Cappuccino, and what I do is I just use this just to cover up my dark circles, and then I go underneath underneath my eye, and I just use that just to give me the extra boost I need when applying my foundation. So I'm using the L'Oreal True Match foundation, and this is in the color I don't know the color. I think the color is toffee, something like that. I'm just taking 2 pumps. This is probably the best match foundation I've ever used in my makeup box, and it is full coverage. For a drugstore foundation, it pretty much does the job, to be honest. Okay, so what I'm going to do is set that with the Infallible Magic Loose Powder. This is a translucent loose powder which brightens, smooths and mattifies. This has also got like blue spectacles. I don't know what L'Oreal's thinking, but we gon' see. L'Oreal says this fixes more than concealer with a light dusting of Magic Loose. Its micronized texture fuses with the skin to smooth it, while mattifying particles absorb the oil for an always matte finish. To wake up your complexion, take it up a notch with bacon. Apply a thick layer underneath the eyes on top of your concealer, and its cool blue tint will brighten up the eye area and set your makeup. Leave for a couple of minutes before removing the excess with a soft brush. More is really more. Alright girls, alright L'Oreals. You know, I'm still a little bit skeptical, but we gon' see. So I think first I'm gonna set my face, and then I'm gonna go in with the concealer again and then set that. Okay, so I'm just going to go in again with the 337 concealer underneath my eye. Okay, we gonna take this blue powder and we gonna set that. So I'm just placing underneath my eyes and I'm just pushing it into my skin. I'm actually surprised it's not as bad as I thought it would. And I don't know guys if I'm overreacting, but is it not really doing the trick? I feel like it's doing the trick. So I'm just gonna quickly do my eye makeup and leave that to set, and then I'm gonna blend it all in. Okay, just done my eye, and I just wanna smooth out that powder. But guys, honestly, this flipping Magic Loose powder, the blue tint and everything, like I was even looking at it like, low-key, what the hell is this? This is the bomb diggity bomb. That's what the hell that is. This is the bomb diggity bomb. Like, as in, guys, this is amazing. You can see already, like, it works so well with the concealer. Like, I feel like my under eye is popping. Is it just me? Am I just hyping myself up? Or is my under eye not popping? Comment below if you think it's popping. Okay, I'm just going to finish off my eye. I'm taking the L'Oreal Glitter Fever eyeliner. This was part of their Christmas collection, which I absolutely love. And I'm just going to put it underneath my eye. Every time I wear this liner, I get so much compliments. Everyone really wants to know where it's from. Everyone's like, what the hell is that? Where can I get it from? Just going to finish off my eye look with the mascara. I'm taking the L'Oreal Unlimited mascara. This is probably one of the best drugstore mascaras that I own. I mean, I think it is the best drugstore mascara that I own. I love Benefit, I love NARS, I love Too Faced, but they are obviously kind of more expensive mascaras. But I mean, this is like, I think $8.99 or $11.99, around that price point, and it literally does exactly the same thing. So just finishing off my mascara. Okay guys, finished my mascara, and I just did a little quick nude lip, nudie pink lip, whatever you want to call it. But guys, I'm absolutely loving this look. Honestly, this is so worth getting. I mean, if you listen to anything in this whole tutorial, guys, you need to get it. It's absolutely amazing. Like, I just feel like it's lightened my under eye. Like, I feel like my under eye is popping. The concealer is also very good, but I'm going to do a separate video. I'm going to show you all the colours from like tan to deep tones, so that's coming soon. But guys, this honestly is like a little pot of miracle. I feel like it did help to like texturize the skin and make it very smooth. I do feel like the blue particles do brighten the under eye. I'm going to do a blog post in full which explains all the ingredients and all that sort of jazz. But if you like that video, why not give it a thumbs up? If you think anyone could benefit from this video, I'll be happy if you share this video. Why not share it? As always, you can follow me on my social media platforms. I'll leave the links down below. I'll also leave the links down below of these products and where you can get them from. But I guess I'll see you in another video. Remember to always stay what? Bougie.